In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a plugin in the Hostinger web hosting panel. Plugins are integral to enhancing your WordPress website's functionality, and today we'll explore 4 different methods to install them, ensuring you're well equipped for any situation. Let's begin with the most straightforward method, by accessing the WordPress admin area. This is ideal if you're looking for free plugins from the official WordPress directory. After logging into your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins and select Add New. Here you'll find a search bar where you can type in the name of a desired plugin. You can also explore various categories like featured, popular, or recommended plugins using the tabs provided. For instance, if you're interested in the Monster Insights plugin, it should appear as the first result upon searching. Click Install Now, and once the installation completes, press Activate to start using it. Remember, after activation, you can configure the plugin settings by navigating to Plugins and then Installed Plugins. Now let's move on to manually installing WordPress plugins. This approach is primarily used for plugins obtained from third-party directories like CodeCanyon or Codester that aren't available in the official directory. First, download the plugin as a zip file. A crucial tip: ensure that you download plugins from reliable sources to avoid any hidden malware. Once downloaded, access the WordPress admin area, select Plugins, Add New, and then upload plugin located at the top left. Browse your computer for the zip file, select it, and click Install Now. Wait for the installation, then activate it. Next, installing plugins via an FTP client is necessary for some custom or premium plugins. This method could feel a bit advanced, but I'll guide you through it. Begin by extracting the zip file of the plugin to a folder on your computer. This extracted folder is what you'll upload. Connect to your website using an FTP client like FileZilla. You'll need your FTP details from Hostinger's hPanel dashboard under Files and FTP accounts. After connecting, find the WP content/plugins folder in the remote site panel, and then upload the extracted plugin folder from local site. Once uploaded, go to your WordPress dashboard to activate it under Installed Plugins. Lastly, for those using Hostinger's hPanel, suggested plugins might appear during the onboarding process when setting up a new WordPress site. Simply select the plugins you prefer and click Continue. Hostinger pre-installs plugins such as Akismet, Anti-Spam, and Lightspeed Cache to ensure smooth operation. You can always manage these plugins through hPanel by navigating to WordPress, then Security. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to installing plugins in the Hostinger web hosting panel. Whether you opt for the convenience of the admin area, the manual approach, or FTP client installation, you're now equipped with the knowledge to enhance your WordPress site's capabilities. Happy plugin installing, and see you in the next tutorial.